So hey everyone, and in this video we'll be understanding the cd command, which is actually used in Linux, but we also use it with our Git Bash. So the cd command stands for change directory, that is used to change the directory. It is used to navigate through the directory structure in your Linux system, which is particularly useful when working with Git repositories. If I give you an example here, you can just open your Git Bash to any specific directory, and since we were already working on this, so you know that this was the folder which we were working on previously. So you can see that we in the last video we learned about the ls command. Okay, so now what you can do is, suppose I want to jump one folder outside. Okay, let me just give you the reference. So you can see that right now we are in this directory. I want to jump one directory outside, that means in this directory. How can I do that? So for doing this, what I can do is I can simply type cd dot dot. If I write this, you can see that I jumped one directory outside. Okay, suppose I want to go back to the same directory. What I can do is I can simply type cd and I can just write my ls tut. Okay, if I write this, you can see that now I'm inside this directory, right? Suppose if I want to jump two directory outside, that means outside this, what can I do? I can simply say I want to go to this one tutorials. What can I do? I can simply say cd dot dot slash dot 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 slash. So you can see that now I'm two directories outside, right? Suppose I want to go back to the my tutorial, my ls tut. Okay, so what I can do is I can simply type cd dot slash I can just type dot slash simply means in the same directory in one tutorials look for git directory. Okay, look for git directory. Inside git directory look for my ls tut directory. Okay, so you can see once I write this, I'm back into this directory, right? Suppose now inside this, if I write ls, you can see that there are two more directories. Okay, suppose I want to go inside this d1 directory. What I can type is cd d1. Okay, cd d1. So you can see now I'm inside d1 directory. Okay, so if I write cd dot dot, I'm outside this. Suppose instead of cd d1, I write cd dot slash d1. Okay, so you can see it does the same job. Okay, so don't get confused, it does the same job for both cases. Okay, but in sometimes your format is longer, you have 2-3 directories, so it's always better to write it this way, or as a shortcut you can write the name directory. Okay, so guys, that is the purpose of cd command, to jump from one directory to other without actually going to the file explorer of your computer manually. You can just do it here by just typing some commands. Okay, so I hope you understood the purpose of cd, and you are gonna use this a lot in not just Git, you're gonna use this in your VS Code also, in different projects. When you are creating projects in Stack, there also when you're using the terminal, you'll be using these commands a lot. Okay, so I hope you understood this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye. So hey everyone, and in this video we'll be understanding the cd command, which is actually used in Linux, but we also use it with our Git Bash. So the cd command stands for change directory, that is used to change the directory. It is used to navigate through the directory structure in your Linux system, which is particularly useful when working with Git repositories. If I give you an example here, you can just